I'm John, and this is your Modern Tech Breakdown. Let's get into it. Today I'm talking about the reports that Apple and OpenAI will be partnering on new features for Apple's next iOS 18 operating system. Bloomberg and others are reporting that the announcement will be made at the WWDC keynote on Monday. From previous reports, it would seem that Apple and other AI players have been brought in as potential partners, but it would seem that OpenAI may be the leader and may be the only AI service that's going to be available at launch. If this does occur next week, I think it's another step forward for OpenAI as far as leading the AI race. OpenAI has a weakness in that it doesn't control operating systems like Apple or Microsoft or Google do. So a deal with Apple would be huge for OpenAI. It'll get their technology into more hands. But this begs the question, what kinds of features might we see from an Apple OpenAI partnership? It'll be interesting to see how this works because Apple can't really hand off everything to OpenAI, and because the OpenAI service doesn't have access to the iPhone hardware and the apps that are required by Siri in order to do things like set a reminder or add an item to a grocery list. So I wonder if Siri will be getting another persona that it can hand off tasks to. ChatGPT has a few name options or personas already, like Breeze, Cove, Ember, Juniper, and then the controversial Sky voice, which I think they've taken down. I wonder if Siri will be able to respond to questions it can't answer by handing off to one of those personas. And by the way, ChatGPT recently announced ChatGPT 4.0. It would be interesting to see if Apple embeds these omni-channel experience or capabilities into Siri. That would give Siri vision for the first time and dramatically improve Siri's conversational abilities. As for generative AI, perhaps there will be a Photos integration that will enable advanced photo editing. Google's already done that with Android, so it'd be interesting to see. I could also see Siri getting better summarization capabilities, like in apps like iMessage and app notifications. And lastly, this is what I really would like to see. I've mentioned in previous videos, it would be great if Siri could manipulate apps on your behalf. It would be a dramatic improvement to shortcuts, kind of the next iteration of shortcuts. This seems technically challenging, so it might be too soon for this. Also, I'm not sure that Apple would want to partner with an outside AI provider for this. Apple might hold on to this kind of feature for a future release when Apple has its own AI chatbot, Apple GPT, if you will. But anyways, OpenAI, Apple partnering, potentially we'll know on Monday. But that wraps it up for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.